So Sibu is here. Welcome back. Did you use Enugu Air?
I think I really use anywhere.
They are not being patriotic.
Anywhere just started. When I left, anywhere and then we commenced.
Help your personal content creator.
It's funny how many people don't even know they can take a direct international flight from this airport even to London, South Africa, Kenya, Ghana, and so many other countries on the list. Yes, this is Akanu Ibiam International Airport. Of course, many people who even use this airport on local services, they know, yes, it's an international airport, but they don't really know it can do so many travels even as far as the UK. Yes, it is called Akanu Ibiam International Airport for a reason. Yes, to me, it is one of the most busiest airports as far as Southeast is concerned, if not the busiest as a matter of fact. And again, as far as Nigeria is concerned, it has a very good rating in terms of use. Yes, it's quite a very busy airport. Day in, day out, activities are going on here, both local and international. So just to put it out there, you can actually fly from here straight all the way to the UK, transiting through Addis Ababa, and off you go. Yes, you can actually take your direct flight, so you don't need to go to Lagos or Abuja to book those flights. You can actually book your flight from the Akanu Ibiam International Airport down to the place you want to go to. Yes, amazing. Yeah, so a friend of mine is actually going to make a trip from this airport on my return back from Lagos. Yeah, since after we had our baby, this is the first trip I will be going to. And of course, I'm going to Lagos, but then we'll be checking out the international wing by the time my friend is leaving. Yes, I'll just be spending a couple of days in Lagos, coming back, seeing my friend, bidding my friend farewell down to the UK. And it's a straight flight all the way from here, transiting Addis Ababa and off the go down to the UK. So you are aware now. If you'll be booking your flight to the UK from here, let me know in the comment section. I'm excited about it, and I believe anyone who is hearing the information for the first time should be excited about it, because the hustle and bustle of the Lagos airport, the Abuja airport, you don't really need to go through all of that just to get to the UK anymore. You can actually do that directly from here. And again, I rated it the most busiest in the Southeast. You can also let me know that in the comment section. And also to mention, it is not only the airport in Southeast that is tagged international. Yeah, but I don't really know if others are functioning or if they do international services in other airports, like the one present in Anambra State. It is called an international airport, but I don't really know if the international wing is functioning. Yes, but one thing I can tell you for sure is that the Enugu International Airport is fully functioning, and you can make those international trips from here. Yes, it's also rated one of the most busiest airports because it has a lot of services. So if you are watching our video for the very first time, you are welcome to Int'l TV. Kindly do what to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So join us as we make our trip to Lagos and return back to Enugu in a couple of days. Of course, it's an afternoon flight, obviously, we got today. And like I said, it's one of the busiest because you can get multiple airlines flying from here at different times. The likes of Air Peace is here for the local, Ibom Air, United Nigeria, Green Africa, Arik is here, Dana is here. So they have a lot of their presence in Enugu. So that is why I think it's one of the busiest as far as Southeast is concerned. The international week, of course, Ethiopia Airline flies directly from here down to most of these other countries that I mentioned earlier in the video. So if you will be making your choice to fly from this airport to the UK, let also know in the comment section. And if you have used it, just like my friend will be using it, also do let us know in the comment section. So I'll be looking forward to your experience, and tell me if you had a smooth experience through all the checkpoints and all of the places you need to go to. So just let me know if you had a smooth transition flying from here to that country. So like I said, we'll be going to Lagos, and this is us trying to get body pass, get our luggage on and just go to the waiting area to wait for our flight time. One thing I appreciated Airpeace for this is the fact that the flight was not cancelled and they were so punctual. As a matter of fact, we were already seated even 5 minutes to the takeoff time that was initially given to us. You can see that people are still busy unpacking and unpacking, all because of the KG issues, so but that is not much of an issue. They are always available to guide you, to tell you that this is what you need to do to allow the excess luggage go through. So we are done with our body pass. Of course, they had kind of a very strained NDLA check on this day I came. I don't know why, probably because of the international flight that is leaving as well. I don't know, but they kind of had a very serious check at the NDLA checkpoint, and even my bag was asked to be opened, and they cross-checked a lot of things before we were asked to leave. So, but then by and large, they had nothing on us, so we had to go, but just a normal check. As far as the beep happens while your bag is going through the scanner, they will definitely take your bag, ask you to open and do all of those checks. But I don't know if it's particular to this day. Other days that I flew from here, I didn't really have that much check, but today was quite a different day. We did all our body pass, waiting for our flight to take off. The waiting area, of course, is still the same, still the same. You can see how full it is, and as a matter of fact, the flight was fully booked. There were not even a single seat left or a space left on the aircraft by the time we were taking off to Lagos. So that was how full it is. But one thing, the waiting area, there's always space for you to sit, and it's still very, very cozy. The ACs are working perfectly fine, and the shops around there all are working exceptionally well. I can't wait to get to Lagos because I have a brief meeting and I just want to see how the Lagos life is. It's been a while I visited Lagos. I hope my Abuja people will be preparing to receive us as well in Abuja any moment from now as well. So we're trying to check in, get on the aircraft so we can proceed with our journey. You can see how busy the whole place looks just for this single flight. Another thing I observed again is that whenever I'm flying from here, on rare occasions, I only find multiple flights trying to load at the same time. Unlike Lagos, in Lagos, you just see multiple takeoff. You can even be on the queue trying to take off, So, but in Enugu, it's usually one per time. But they have other spaces where aircraft are parked, probably because of the size or the space of the area here. Probably that's why we always have one here. But I have not really seen 2 aircraft loading at the same time, waiting to take off simultaneously or something. I've not really experienced that except in Lagos, but by and large it's cool. So currently we are on preparing for takeoff, and off we go. I must commend the Airpeace pilot again. It was quite a very bumpy flight. As a matter of fact, the air hostess did not even stand up all through these flights. The turbulence was on another level. But then he had it seriously under control, flew at a low altitude than what it is. He actually maintained it that we didn't really feel the impact so much, even though everybody was exceptionally scared inside the flight. But then it was all good. So here we are in Lagos, and we'll be experiencing a cool for some few days. So guys, we look forward to your comments in the comment section. We'll see you guys when we return to Enugu. Bye.